welcome back to the vlog. Me and Kai here are over here about to run over to Andrew's house and finish what we started a couple weekends ago and get the Gkteck engine mounts installed on my car and also put a few more miles on breaking in this clutch. Only got like 2 more weeks until the first event, and it's a competition event, so I would like my clutch to be working perfect, so I'm hoping to get, you know, at least 300 miles on it. So I will catch you guys as soon as we get to Andrew's house. All right, guys, we're back at my favorite place. We're at Andrew's again. Told you guys we're gonna finish up what we started 2 weeks ago and finish the engine mounts. We got here a little while ago as Andrew was working on his crap thing over there. What's that thing?
What'd you call it?
I take that back. That thing's a lifesaver. But no, seriously though, we got here. He was working on the Ford, so he was getting that all together, doing spark plugs. And now we're gonna pull my car in and start tinkering with the engine mounts and see what we can get accomplished. Right?
Yep.
You think we got it?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna do it. I know Andrew's confident. He has the most confidence in the world. All right, let's pull the car in. Kai, can you hold it?
Sure.
Put it just right here at the car. You can talk and say anything.
No. Turned off still.
It didn't turn off. The screen turned off.
Yeah, no. It's still on. You just gotta touch the back. If you touch the back of it, right here.
This is on.
Oh.
Kai. I'm gonna teach you on some camera skills, huh, bud? All right, guys. So the car's in the air, and right now we're gonna go ahead and try to tackle these bottom bolts. They're you actually reach them from right underneath the cross member. Right up there, you guys probably can't see it. And the other up here. They're both 17s, and then we'll go ahead and get the top nuts off of the motor mounts and get them out.
Whoop. These nuts.
Wrong way.
Rock salt.
Oh yeah, salt's coming everywhere.
It tastes funny.
You gotta love the winter, right? There's salt everywhere. That's tight.
That involves really scary.
It's trying to hold all those horsepowers in.
All right, well, the G35 350Z driver side motor mount thing, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's completely separated. Yeah, so needless to say, it definitely was long overdue for some help. Here, I'll help you. And then for the passenger side, we're having a little trouble getting this mount out and to actually clear. So Andrew gets to try out his new plasma cutter.
Yes, sir.
So we'll go ahead and chop the bottom stud down so that we can get the clear and go ahead and get the Gkteck mounts put together and installed, and we should be on our way. Classic dog, isn't he? All right. Andrew got that one in there. This one was such a pain. Took Andrew lots of blood, sweat, and actually no tears. Hey guys, sorry about that last clip. Somehow that video file got corrupted. But anyway, we ended up getting the motor mounts all in, no problems. Driving the car now, there's obviously, you know, a little bit of noise and vibration that's being transferred because of the solid mounts, but not nearly as bad as my old KA240. I think these engines are a little bit more balanced than those, so thankfully it still feels pretty good. There is, like I said, slight vibration. But overall, the install wasn't that bad, besides the fact that my driver mount was completely just destroyed, and we had to unbolt the bottom, and then the top we had to figure out how to get out because it was separated. But either way, we finished that. So far, no complaints. We'll definitely see more whenever we hit the first event. The one thing that I did notice the most was that shifting has become way smoother. Like before in my drifting videos, I'm sure you guys seen my shifter shaking a lot. I think a lot. I think a lot of that was due to my engine mounts being bad. So that's great. And on that note, we're gonna go ahead and end it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a pull for you guys, just because we're approaching about 300 miles, and guys haven't really got to hear the new exhaust setup too well. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll the windows down, get a little pull, leaving this light, and end it on that. And after that winter storm last week, now we're having all of a sudden 60-degree weather, it feels like. It's ridiculous. It's Mother Nature though, right? Noises, guys. That's the trumpet noises. All right, later. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't already subscribed, hit that red button, man. Show your boy some love. Like the video, comment. Let me know what you guys are thinking of everything so far. Let me know if you guys want to see anything different, man. Just give me some input. All right, for real. Later, guys.